In this particular video I am going to explain you about the sheet metal operations and their examples. There are three types of sheet metal operations. First one is cutting operation, second one is non-cutting operations, and then hybrid operations. So first of all we see about the shearing operation. Here standard metal sheet is provided, consider it, and from this sheet we have required dotted portion to that right side. So this is required part. So it is cut using the shearing machine, and these two will get separated, and we are using then this sheet. So this is about shearing operation. Then punching operation, as we can see this is sheet. So from this we are punching it, and we are getting this upper one as our required portion, and this remaining is the scrap. In blanking operation, this rectangular portion we are required, so we take it out from the required sheet by using the cutting operation, and this is our required, and this whole sheet is then scrap portion. We can see the applications of punching. These are the holes punched inside this sheet of the stapler. Another punching example is this plate. Then these washers are the combined example of blanking and punching. How? Because this hole is as a blanking or blank, and this center hole is punching, and this is another one with smaller size washer. This is example of piercing. So here we can see that here is a round portion, and here the straight cut with a rectangular size. So this make a close contour. So we are taking out the close contour portion from this, and we are getting this. This is the application. It is used for polishing the cap buttons. Another one is the notching. We have taken out the side portions of this component. So this is the example of notching. Here is the example of perforating. So you can see here number of holes that are close to each other are perforated here. This also you can see. So these are the examples of cutting operations: punching, then piercing, then perforating, notching. Now we will see some non-cutting operations. So here you can see these are three bending examples. So this is U bending type, this is V bending type. Okay, this is sheet is V bend type. Then we made this edge bend from this side, we have bent it. Now we can see here there is the curling application, and at this portion seaming is the operation name. In this vessel the upper portion is neck, which is smaller than this body portion. So here we have used the bulging operation to giving it like this shape. These are utensils, so we have used drawing operations to make these utensils. In this application we can see the embossing of this design. From inside it is gone out, and from outside it is coming out in the outer portion. This is coining operation. Okay, so here localized deformation we can see from both sides. The design is different. Now we can see the hybrid operation. So this is mosquito stand. So here 3-side cut is there, and it is lancing. This can also be seen. Okay, lancing example. And this is bent from this side also and this side also. This is opener. Okay,